Hi, my name is Bukunmi Oyedapo, architecture graduate of Awolowo University. I have a PhD in architecture. Finished my service here October 2016. I've had about Chronos. I've been a fan of Chronos for a while, and I've just never really been able to put in an entry for any of the previous competitions. But this time around, the competition came, and the team has been something I've been thinking about and I've been working on for a while. Low cost housing, thinking about alternative materials, working around the problems we have in Nigeria to make industrialized buildings. And when I saw the brief, I decided to do something with it. I worked alone. I don't have any designers around me. I worked mostly in Revit, 3ds Max for the visualization, Photoshop for post-processing and post-production, and the whole booklet itself, the whole PDF I submitted. I'm looking at the materials that went into the building. We have plastic, we have PVC, we have wood, we have wood, plastic, composite, we have glass, and we have steel. These materials can be found in any building markets around the country. I chose Borno State, Maiduguri to be exact, as the most ideal location for the internally displaced people's camp, because it's still the most idealistic and most realistic point to put one of those. And the climatic factors, the cultural background of the people definitely influence the design. In a typical northern society, a traditional, they don't allow story buildings, they don't allow buildings that will give you vantage points, so you have no access, visual access into their courtyards and look out that way. Fabrication is an expensive process. Now, fabricating in metal would definitely be costlier in Nigeria than it would in China. The color of the building is white. It is in the Sudan savannah. It is semi-arid, it's almost a desert, so there's a lot of heat. The wall panels are made of PVC sheets, which can always be reused. The positioning of the windows definitely met two needs: privacy and natural ventilation. The whole idea of raising the building from the ground, creating space to run whatever services, always recycle water, because it will be very hard to get water in Borno State. Sewage management, which disposal trucks to come and take sewage out, won't solve anything. But having a biogas digester, you're killing odor, you're generating gas from the waste, and at the same time you have slurry you can use for farming. The entry was well put together. The presentation, I tried my best to be as relatable as possible, step by step, and if you go through it well, you definitely understand and be able to. We as Nigerians or designers, we have so much problems in our ways, but at the same time we have so much around to work with. If you can actually sit down and work around these problems, low cost housing should actually be low cost, but in Nigeria it is not low cost, it's just as expensive as a normal building. Thank you.